Saglit lang ito'y dumaan. So guys, magluluto ako ng shakshoga ngayon. I'll cook shakshoga. Ito na po ang shakshoga. Ito ang mga ingredients ng aking shakshoga. So, whoa. And then oil. I put oil. Ready? The oil and the fan now ready. This is 5 egg, tomatoes, garlic, onion, black pepper, salt, and if you like to put Maggi cubes or magic syrup, guys, you can put it by yourself. So, Shakshoga, kain ka? Pong, para sa atin. Kung kakain ka. Para sa akin, sa atin to. So, nilagay. Ito na po ang mga ingredients lahat. Kailangan lutuin ito ng maigi. We will cook this well. We will cook the tomato, garlic, and onion. And then oil, we will cook this in oil until it's cooked. So the shakshoga, it will taste nice and very delicious. Recipe for today's recipe and in my whatsoever and ever. So now guys, it's ready now. I will put now next the egg. See the egg, guys. This is now the shakshoga. Shakshoga, guys. So just do it like this. Mix until it's look well mixed and together with the spicings. The spice I will put only there. What is this? Black pepper, little salt. We will put fire in a medium heat only, guys. Then ito na po siya, guys. It is ready now to eat. It's very easy. It's just maybe 5 minutes or 8 minutes to cook the egg. And it's done. So now, if you like my channel, just hit the like and comments. And hit also the bell. So that if I have new videos, you will update all my video and everything. Thank you, guys.